The Nigerian National Petroleum Company (Nnpc) Limited is gearing up for its long-awaited listing on the capital market, marking a significant milestone under the Petroleum Industry Act (PIA) of 2021. This announcement, confirmed by the company's Chief Corporate Communications Officer Olufemi Sone on Thursday, has generated widespread interest and anticipation as the oil giant moves closer to becoming a publicity-traded entity. The announcement was made during a consultative meeting at the company's headquarters in Abuja, with details about the next steps in the process shared by Olugbenga Oluwani, the Chief Finance and Investor Relations Officer. Nnpc Limited's move to go public is part of a larger strategy to restructure and transform the company, opening it up to private investors in line with the reforms introduced by the Petroleum Industry Act. The upcoming initial public offering will provide an opportunity for investors, both local and international, to participate in one of Nigeria's most critical state-owned enterprises. However, Nnpc's history with major deals and partnerships raises questions about whether this IPO will ultimately pull through or face challenges similar to previous initiatives. The company is currently engaging with potential partners through the Nnpc Limited IPO Beauty Parade, a process designed to evaluate and select the best partners for various aspects of the IPO preparation. Nnpc is seeking partnerships for investor relations, IPO readiness advisors, and investment bank partners. This step signals the company's intent to ensure a smooth and successful IPO by aligning with the right financial and advisory partner who can support the process. The goal is to ensure that Nnpc's shares are ready for listing under the Company and Allied Matters Act of 1990, which governs corporate matters in Nigeria. While the announcement of Nnpc Limited's IPO is exciting, it comes after several attempts at significant partnerships and deals that did not materialize in the past. For example, Nnpc has faced numerous challenges in its past partnerships with international oil companies, where deals often fell through due to a combination of regulatory uncertainties, financial instability, and differences in strategic objectives. Moreover, earlier efforts to privatize parts of the oil and gas sector through similar initiatives met with mixed results, largely due to a lack of sufficient investor confidence and concerns about governance and transparency within state-owned enterprises. The proposed IPO also brings to mind past ventures where Nnpc had to navigate a complicated landscape of government regulations, fluctuating global oil prices, and political tensions, which affected its ability to secure long-term strategic partnerships. Such factors could potentially impact the success of its listing and whether it will meet the expectations set by the Petroleum Industry Act. The company's ability to build confidence among potential investors will be key, especially given that the capital market in Nigeria has faced its own challenges in terms of stability and investor trust. For Nnpc Limited to successfully complete its IPO, it will need to prove its commitment to transparency, sound corporate governance, and sustainable growth. The outcome of the IPO will likely depend on its ability to address past concerns, establish strong partnerships, and present a compelling case to investors. While there is excitement surrounding the IPO, the history of failed partnerships and deals will likely remain a point of scrutiny for the company as it navigates this critical phase of its transformation. What are your thoughts on Nnpc Limited's upcoming IPO? Do you believe the company can overcome past challenges and achieve success in this venture? Let us know in the comments below.